In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Chromecast remote control in case it's not working properly or you're having any other problems. So the first step, okay, is to turn it around, remove the batteries. Once this is done, turn it again. And now all you need to do is to press very hard on every button that is on it. So the top button here at least 3 times very hard, then the right one. Okay, do this for every buttons, okay, these two and even the one on the side here. Very hard 3 times. Okay, we need to make sure that there's no button that is stuck. Then once you finish pressing these buttons, go ahead, put back the batteries. I always suggest you use brand new batteries in case these were the issue. Make sure also to put them correctly. Over here you see the positive side on both should be aligned like this. Okay, put back the cover. And now you can go ahead and test the remote control with your Chromecast. If nothing is happening, maybe you need to repair it with your Chromecast. And usually on the back of your Chromecast, there is a button you need to keep pressed during about 3 seconds until you get a message on the screen, and then you'll be able to pair it once again. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other solutions that may help other people, please write it in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.